Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Steam and confirming Steam Cloud is enabled. This syncs account to cloud. Next, open the game and create a manual save to update local files, then quit the game completely so the client can detect the newer timestamps. Once done, make sure your Steam client is online and not in offline mode. The client needs network access to compare versions. If Steam prompts about conflicting files, do not ignore it. Prepare to choose which version to upload or download. When Steam presents a conflict dialog, choose Upload to Steam Cloud if your local save is the most recent. This forces the cloud to accept your file. If no prompt shows, exit Steam, delete client cache. VDF to clear cache state, then restart Steam so it rescans timestamps. You can also run Verify Integrity of Game files from the game's properties to refresh cloud tokens and prompts. After these actions, watch the sync icon next to the game and library, so you know the upload completed. Finally, confirm the cloud update by launching the game on a second device or viewing the cloud files in Steam's client to see the new timestamp. If Steam still shows out of date, back up your current local save, then try deleting it and re-downloading the cloud save or force an upload from the freshly backed up file. If problems persist, contact Steam support with clear timestamps and steps taken. Important troubleshooting tip: always keep a local backup before forcing uploads or deletes to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.